welcome back to Vlogmas. This isn't going to be a super vloggy vlog because I'm starting it at 5:15. I have had kind of a productive day, kind of a non-productive day. So I started off the morning gluing on pom-poms onto my Christmas jumper because the noses had fallen off. I also then wrote my Christmas cards for my giveaway. So the girl who won my giveaway, I've written her a Christmas card to go into the box. I've also written all my dance teachers their Christmas cards, and I've also wrapped up all of the cupcakes into little plastic bags for them to have. So I've done that this morning. I've also done the cleaning of the house. I scrubbed at our hob in the kitchen because it was so gross. It is so much better. There were some bits that I just couldn't get off, but it's a start. It looks so much better. Basically done the whole house. I just need to hoover, which I'm going to do tomorrow. That is how the day has gone today. So it's been productive, but not a very interesting day as such. Yeah, I hope you liked yesterday's video curling my hair. It was very requested, so I just thought it's worth doing it. I have a little parcel that's just arrived that I thought I would share with you. So I watched Soph Does Life, her video testing out, I can't remember what video it was, but I will put what one it was here. And I discovered the brand Candy Coat. I decided to place an order. Honestly, their branding just kind of sold me. So this is the packaging. It did come in a little bag, but I've thrown that away. I have opened this and had a look at it. But how cute is this? So it just says Candy Coat, and then it's just got loads of words, nails, whatever. So if I open it up, this is what it looks like when you open it up. It's such a cute little box. So it comes with a little Candy Coat thing that says thank you. And then like their socials and stuff, which is so cute. I'm gonna get this everywhere. It's literally got a ton of like tiny little pom-poms, and I can't remember what this stuff is called, but that stuff. I'm not sure if this is every order or what. Ordering with Candy Coat, you get to choose 5 free pick and mix things if you spend a certain amount, I think it is. So I picked out, so obviously it's probably changeable depending on what they have, but I picked out the strawberries, the rainbows and the lips. I did pick 2 others, but I didn't really want them anyway. So I've got little watermelons and some little pink sweets, which I don't think will be my thing, but I will eat the others definitely. I just thought, how cute is that? I picked out 4 nail polishes. There were quite a few I liked. They have such a big variety. And if these are good, then I will probably buy some more. So these I think were £8 each, but I got 25% off, I want to say. So I decided to go with a couple Christmassy and then a couple just kind of normal regular ones. But I really love the bottles. So these are 8ml. And they were £8. Take a look, shall we? So we have this first one, which is number 477. But this is really gorgeous, like star sparkle. And I thought this would be really good for either Christmas or New Year. The next one that I got is the shade 1242. This one is a red glitter, and again I thought this would be really good for Christmas, and I'm really undecided between whether I want to go with the stars or the red glitter, so I will put them on my little like nail swatches and then I can decide from there. The next one that I got, I just wanted a really basic like pinky nude kind of colour, so the one that I went with is 208. Really love the look of this. Hopefully it'll be okay on my nails. When I'm back at work I need to have more nude nails, so I can't go as bold, which is such a shame because I've loved being able, oh my god, ignore my blue hands. I asked my sister to clean all of the food colouring pots after she's used them, and she didn't. So when I was cleaning today, the whole cupboard was basically covered in food colouring. So yeah, thanks Gracie. And then the next shade that I got, last shade, is number, oh no, I don't know if it's 990 or 66. And this is just a really gorgeous blue, and I don't have a colour like this, and I thought this would be really lovely come January, February time. So really excited to try all of them. because they looked really good, and Soph said that they've lasted ages on her nails, so that's really exciting. So today I have dance on Zoom, which starts at 6, so I've only got one class today, which is ballet, which is 6 till 7, and then there's a quiz 7 till 8:40. I'm not sure how it's going to work for me and Amelia, who have to do it on Zoom while everyone else is there. We're going to give it a go. Hopefully it works. We're allowed to wear Christmassy stuff, which is why I was fixing my Christmas jumper, which you can see there. Hopefully that'll be okay. And yeah, that's what I've been doing, and that's what I need to get ready for now. So this is the jumper, I'm hoping. So the front noses I put on first. They feel to be, fingers crossed, quite sturdy. The ones on the back I did last, and I'm hoping that they last. So yeah, I'm just gonna be really careful wearing it today because they're probably not fully dry. And I've also just got on these little reindeer socks, which are actually also from Shein. And hopefully I'll be able to do ballet in them without my ballet teacher seeing that I've not got ballet shoes on. So I'm gonna go head downstairs. I'm gonna bring my laptop down, a notebook, because it's not technically the last lesson before Christmas. It's the last one tomorrow, but it's the last one with 2 of our teachers because they don't teach on the Thursday. It starts in 10 minutes, so I don't need to rush. The noses on my socks didn't fall off in the tumble dryer, just on the jumper. So me and Amelia were forgotten about. At 6:30 I got a message saying, oops, sorry, we forgot to Zoom you in. So it is so much later now, it's 11 o'clock, but I did my Zoom quiz, which went okay. Me and Amelia did it together because it would have been quite boring for us just sitting there not being able to see anybody else, so we did it together on Zoom, obviously. But I thought I would insert some footage from when I baked some cupcakes. I'll insert that now. Hey everyone, so I thought I'd do a little bake with me. I'm going to be baking some Christmas cupcakes for my dance teachers to say thank you for doing Zoom, because I'm 18 and haven't been able to go to dance, so they've been doing Zooms for me. Thought I'd do some for them, and I also thought I'd do a few for me. So, for reference of everything that I'm doing, I thought I'd go Christmassy, but wintry. I can't remember the website I got this from, but I will put it here. I've got some cupcake cases, which are the snowman and the snowdog. So we've got some snowman, snowdog, and little like stars. So I'm going to use a mixture of probably the snowman and the snowdog. So we've gone for like a blue theme. And then for icing, I've got some blue like glitter that you just kind of spray on, and these sprinkles, which aren't very wintry, but I just thought they were pretty. So for the basic cupcakes, I don't know how to describe it. I'll just say how I'm doing one half. So for one half of the cupcakes, I am doing 7 ounces of butter, 7 ounces of caster sugar, 7 ounces of self-raising flour, 3 eggs, teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that's it. Okay, so technically, oh, you can't even see me. Technically, I am dairy intolerant, but I need to give it a taste to make sure it's okay. It's fine, it's only a little bit, so clean hands. It's quite heavy. To be fair, I haven't eaten normal cake mixture in a long time, so it might just be that I'm used to dairy free, but it tastes nice. So I'm going to go pop them in the oven. I'm going to put them in for 10 minutes to begin with at just about 200 degrees. And then I'll probably get them out, check them, maybe they'll need another 5-6 minutes. And then while they are in the oven, I'm going to be making my batch. For me, I'm doing 6 ounces instead, just because we probably don't need as many cakes. Yum. Okay, so now they are out. I'm going to leave them to cool for a couple minutes. Then I'm going to pop them on a cooling rack, and then I can pop mine in. So I've taken the time to let them all cool, and I'm going to get started on the non-dairy free icing. So the dairy icing. Okay, so for the butter icing, we have 9 ounces of butter and 13 ounces of the icing sugar, and then we will be using again 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract. So I'm going to firstly just whisk the butter by itself for a little while, and then I will gradually add in the icing sugar and water.
The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where...
So I didn't film the process of these because I just didn't, but I'm done. I'm not too... They didn't go... Basically, I wasn't very good with the glitter, so we've got a few spots, but I'll pick up one that looks kind of cute. This one looks quite good. This one had the glitter quite evenly spread. This one went okay. So they're quite cute, and I'm still quite happy with them. I just need to learn the glitter techniques. But yeah, they're the ones for my dance teachers, so I need to wrap them up and get them all nice and cellophaned. I'm also going to write a card for each of them. But before I do that, I'm just going to move on to our cupcakes.
Lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 Noel.
This piping bag is horrible. It's an old one, and it's just, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's basically like, I don't know, it must be porous, and it's just seeping through onto my hands. I'm not using that again. It's literally disgusting. I feel grim.
The King of Israel, they looked up and saw a star shining in the east, beyond them far, and to the earth it gave great light, and so it continued both day and night. Noel, Noel.
So mine are done. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. The glitter went so much better. Let me try and show you this one. This is one of my faves.
Noel, Noel.
How like a little wintry. Oh no, I just got my finger stuck in one of them. This one went quite well as well. Sorry, I'm doing this backwards, so it's not working very well.
The King of Israel.
So I've tried to make these, oh you can't even see. I've tried to make these ones and this one a bit more obvious that they've got normal icing rather than dairy free, so my mum and dad can have them. I've made them in the blue cases. And then I've just put a few more of the silver balls on. Maisie? Thank you. She's in her Christmas jumper because she's just been on a walk. She wouldn't usually like just wear it in the house. So that is all of the Christmas cupcakes made. I hope you enjoyed that little segment. I'm just watching, what's the channel? I can't remember his name. Rico Presents. Basically, I got obsessed with his channel watching him and his girlfriend, or is his girlfriend, watching Harry Potter for the first time, and they've just released Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1, which I've been waiting for a long time. So I'm just going to pop that on, start editing. I've got a very early morning tomorrow, so I'm going to end this vlog here. I know it's kind of been a random vlog and I don't know how long it will be, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and I will see you all tomorrow with another video. Bye!
I can't breathe without your